Agile Project Management Framework, APM. Agile project management is an approach that focuses on iterative and incremental project delivery. It emphasizes flexibility, customer collaboration, and the delivery of working software in short iterations. Key principles of Agile project management: customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following a plan, individuals and interactions over processes and tools, and working software over comprehensive documentation. Agile project management processes: sprint planning, daily stand-up meetings, sprint review and sprint retrospective. Agile project management implementation: training team members on Agile principles and practices, setting up Agile project management tools, establishing clear communication channels and tracking progress and adjusting plans as needed. Agile project management benefits: faster time to market, increased collaboration and communication, better quality of deliverables and improved stakeholder satisfaction. Conclusion: in conclusion, Agile Project Management Framework, APM, offers a flexible and collaborative approach to project delivery.